Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a drop-down menu list in a fillable PDF form using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF form and click this form option. Here you will find this combo box tools. Click here and draw your box area. This is and click right button for properties. Here you can change your box name, line style, I'll choose this, outline color, I'll choose this, and line thickness, thick, fill color, choose white, and text color in black, and font size text, and font style, Arial, bold, italic, big option. Enter here your menu item, and export your value. It is not necessary. Click here add. Type here. Email to and other. Add this. Now click close and click this hand option. This drawdown list already created, and finally click here this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.